Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X1042A. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Ashen gray metallic in color. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to 22,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.